Today, we will show you the correct way to properly conduct an oil change on your own vehicle. The first thing we must do is go into your vehicle's manual to see what type of oil your vehicle needs and how much is needed. We have here your basic 5 quarts of standard motor oil, filter, floor jack, jack stand, roll blocks, oil pan drain plug wrench, oil filter wrench, oil pan, funnel, and finally a drop cloth. So let's get started. Before jacking up the car, we must activate the emergency brake so the car doesn't roll. Place roadblocks behind the back tires for extra security. Use the car jack to hoist the car into the air. Place the car jack stand right next to it. Now that we've secured the vehicle and jacked it up off the ground, we can place the drop cloth under the vehicle so as to prevent any excess oil leaks from staining the ground surface. Our prep work is now complete. We are going to put the oil pan drain plug wrench, oil filter wrench, pan, and new filter next to the area where we'll be working. Now, crawl under the vehicle so we can get started on the replacement of the oil. Using our wrench, we loosen the nuts and remove the oil pan drain plug. The old oil will drain from the engine and into our oil pan. Place the cap back on the drain plug. We can now remove the old oil filter. After all of the old engine oil is drained, we wipe the excess oil from the pan and begin installing the new oil filter in its place. Pop the hood of your vehicle and locate the engine oil cap. Properly remove the oil cap from the engine. Begin pouring your new oil into the engine by using a standard funnel. After pouring the new oil, we must start the engine and allow it to run for a few minutes. We do this so the clean oil runs through the engine effectively. While the engine is running, look under the vehicle for any leaks. After running the car for a few minutes, we could shut the car back off. Pull out the engine oil dipstick and wipe it off. Place the dipstick back in, then quickly pull it back out. Check the levels of the oil. The oil should be at its max or close to it. Check once more under the vehicle for any leaks. We are almost finished. Lower the car to the ground and remove the jack stand and jack. Remove the roll blocks from behind the back tires. Disposing of the old engine oil is important. Pour your old engine oil into the empty gallon. Pull the drop cloth out from under the vehicle and fold it up. Toss it in a plastic bag and dispose. Take the gallon to your nearest recycling plant for disposal. Congratulations! You are now finished conducting an oil change on your own vehicle.